6 new Digistore24 affiliate products to promote in June 2022. Hey there, I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you the 6 new Digistore24 affiliate products to promote in June 2022. Because whether you are getting started as an affiliate marketer or looking to scale your affiliate revenue, there are hundreds of new affiliate products being released every month. Digistore24 is one of the many affiliate networks for you to find affiliate products. They have hundreds of different products in many different niches, and they release new products often. Now that we've made it to June, let's take a look at the top 6 new Digistore24 affiliate products to promote for you to make affiliate commissions. And if you stay with me till the end, I'll show you how to find these new products yourself without even having a Digistore24 account. If you need help getting started with Digistore, check out Kim's Digistore24 Beginner's Guide video. Kim will show you exactly how to get started and make money online with Digistore24. Keep watching, and I'll link this video at the top right a bit later for you, along with other helpful videos to help you in your affiliate marketing journey. Also, check out the link below for instant access to training that's unlike any training you've ever seen before. You'll learn the truth about why you have been failing online and what you want and need to do to change your future. So if succeeding with affiliate marketing interests you, then grab our free training below today. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as we can. Before we get started, it's also important to note that we are simply providing you with information about these products and how you can research them yourself. We do not endorse any products shown. Any and all of this information is subject to change without prior notice. These metrics, as well as the products and vendors, change on Digistore24 regularly. You are expected to complete additional research on these products for accuracy and to confirm if it is the right fit for you and your audience. We also cannot and do not guarantee that you will make any sales of any of these products. All of the products that we're going to discuss today are in the top 2 niches of health and wealth. They are also in trending sub-niches and topics that we will discuss for each product. I did not put these products in any specific ranking order. They are simply in order of affiliate commissions earned. New Digistore24 affiliate product number 6, Writer Jobs Membership. Writer Jobs Membership targets people who want to earn extra income working from home with a $27 monthly subscription that pays the affiliate 90% lifetime recurring commissions. If we look at the sales page, Writer's Job Membership is a network that helps you sell articles to thousands of potential clients. They are actively looking for freelance writers for their blogs, emails, social media, and a variety of other uses. You can generate hundreds of articles using their auto writer tool when you are just starting out. This product is in the finance and wealth niche. The affiliate commissions for Writer Jobs Membership is 90%. The average price that the customer pays per sale is $27. The average affiliate commission earnings per sale are $21. Writer's Job Membership does have an affiliate support page. They do not currently have any affiliate tools, but they are taking suggestions for email swipes. So you will need to figure out how to promote this product yourself. And Writer's Job Membership is capitalizing on the consistently trending topics of writing jobs and work from home jobs. Don't forget, if you are looking for ways to promote these affiliate products, we do have free training available for you in the link below. New Digistore24 product number 5, Keto Mastery 21-Day Keto Diet Challenge. Keto Mastery 21-Day Keto Diet Challenge targets women over 40 who wish to reduce weight quickly. If we look at the sales page, this product is a 21-day keto diet challenge that is a complete video course with a step-by-step video tutorial, including a meal plan that explains everything about the keto diet. This product is in the health and wellness niche with an affiliate commission of 50%. The average price per sale is $57, and the average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $25. Keto Mastery 21-Day Keto Diet Challenge does not have a JV page or affiliate tools. This product is capitalizing on the consistent trend of keto as well as keto diet. New Digistore24 affiliate product number 4, the number 1 fat-burning appetite suppressant. This product targets people who want to lose weight. If we look at the sales page, this product instantly reduces appetite while targeting the reduction in fat cells. Eat less, burn fat, and prevent new fat from forming in your trouble areas with exclusive triple action fat torching formula. This product is also in the health and wellness niche with an affiliate commission of 60%. The average price per sale is $69 and the average earnings per sale is $37. They do have an affiliate page, but it does not currently have any affiliate tools on it. You will have to send them an email to request affiliate marketing materials. The number one fat-burning appetite suppressant is capitalizing on the consistent trends of appetite suppressants as well as fat burner. New Digistore24 product number 3, Outback Belly Burner. Outback Belly Burner targets people who want to lose stubborn weight. If they've tried everything else and just can't figure it out, Outback Belly Burner could be for them. If we look at their sales page, this product is a blend of 8 Australian Outback ingredients in a single bottle, helping you to stop the adverse effects of leaky gut in its tracks and help you get your metabolism back on track. This product is also in the health and wellness niche with an affiliate commission of 75%. The average price per sale is $59 and the average affiliate earnings per sale is $41. Outback Belly Burner does have an affiliate support page. On it you will find banners, Facebook ad kits, email swipes, and miscellaneous tools to help you promote this product. The Outback Belly Burner is capitalizing on the consistent trends of leaky gut as well as metabolism. New Digistore24 affiliate product number 2, Patriot Detox Tea. The Patriot Detox Tea targets people who want to slim down, soothe bloating, and boost their energy naturally. If we take a look at their sales page, the Patriot Detox Tea is unlike any other detox. They have no laxatives and it's made with 11 metabolism boosting superfoods. The Patriot Detox Tea is also in the health and wellness niche with an affiliate commission of 60%. The average price per sale is $165 and the average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $96. Notice that this product has additional metrics like a cart conversion rate, a cancellation rate, and sales rankings. These numbers are just to give you a little bit more information about the product when it's available. The cart conversion is going to tell you the percent of people who have landed on the sales page for this product and have then purchased the product. The cancellation rate is going to tell you the percentage of those 18 who have canceled this product after purchasing it. This product is currently ranking 22 in supplements, 23 in physical products, and 51 in all products, and it was only created 4 weeks ago. This is currently a very good cancellation rate compared to the cart conversion rate. If you were to find a product where the cancellation rate was higher than the cart conversion rate, I would definitely suggest doing more research to see why those numbers are that way. For the Patriot Detox Tea, this is a great ratio. Patriot Detox Tea also has an affiliate support page with a contact email for you to request additional affiliate tools. The Patriot Detox Tea is capitalizing on the consistently trending topics of detox tea and detoxification. New Digistore24 affiliate product number 1, Double Your Sales Accelerator Interactive Online Marketing. This product targets people who want to scale up their small businesses with online marketing. If we take a look at the sales page, Double Your Sales Accelerator is a 90-day course where you will learn how to transform your marketing, increase sales, and accelerate your business's growth. This product is also in the wealth and finance niche with affiliate commissions at 50%. The average price per sale is $397, and your affiliate commission earnings per sale is $182. There is no affiliate support page for this product, but you can always reach out to the vendor or the creator and request them. In the health and wellness niche, Double Your Sales Accelerator is capitalizing on the trending topics of online marketing and make money online. And that is your list of the top 6 new Digistore24 products to promote in June 2022. As promised, here's your tip to go see these products for yourself. It's really super easy. All you have to do is log into your browser and type in Digistore24. Digistore24.com will come up first. Choose that, and then go to the marketplace on the top tab. It's automatically ranked by sales, but if you want to see the newest products, Just change it to publication date. These will be listed in order of the most recent products released. And when you find one that you do want to promote, yes, you will need to have a Digistore24 account and sign in. And if you need steps on how to do that, be sure to go check out Kim's Digistore24 Beginner's Guide, where she shows you exactly how to set up your account the right way so you get paid. If you want or need help with how to do affiliate marketing the right way, be sure to grab our free training from the link below. It's unlike any training you've ever seen before. If you found value in this video, please give it a like. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And let me know if you have any questions down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.